Recording in progress.
Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to the day 7 of drawing for today. And today's drawing, my inspiration is me looking out of my kitchen window and seeing the trees with no leaves and the birds, many birds sitting on it beautifully. And that just gave me an inspiration to draw a drawing, and I'm naming it as Birds of Light. So for this drawing, it will be after the drawing you will receive inspiration and you need to capture that inspiration for you. What is the message for you from these birds of light for you for today? So let's start drawing together and see what comes up. Okay, so Neurographica, as I say, it's a very wonderful method to tap into our subconscious mind. And our mind has several layers, and so does art. Like it works on layers, we are putting so many things, and this is how we reach into the layers of our mind and find the inspiration which is there for us. So I am just writing here day 7, and my drawing is Birds of Light. So I'm trying to draw what I'm seeing, and I hope you get that same feeling of inspiration which I got today when I was looking through the window. And as I said, these drawings are just on the day I'm taking it up, what it comes as on the day. Okay, so we will start drawing these beautiful winter trees, and when you draw, just keep your eyes focused on the tip of your marker. This simple act brings in so much of beautiful feelings of mindfulness, just and how these branches they are seeing. So Neurographica, in Neurographica you can see that the lines are connected to the nature. It is very, very natural how these lines form. Can feel the noise the pen makes when it touches on the paper, and I could literally smell the strong smell of Sharpie pen. We get into this pause as we draw, and it really creates that no rushing, nothing, and I'm just conjoining, creating these beautiful rounds. A part of a circle is also a circle which creates feelings of harmony. And we are connected to the nature in full as we draw. And on these branches, before I do that, I'll just add some sky color which is not that bright as I see from my window, but it is still there. So I'm just connecting to the nature, and yeah, so just feel free to add the colors which you like, what you feel. And on on these beautiful branches are my birds of light. And light, as I say, I'm depicting with the rainbow colors. So draw this simple bird. See, just make an drop shape, a little like this, and a small beak. That's it, done. So beautiful. See, an oval, extend it, and a beak, and done. So we just have to create that impression of the birds of light. And as you draw, how do you feel? Is there some meaning for you? Some message these birds want to give you? They do get hidden in so many leaves during the spring and summer, but now they are beautifully visible, and I do enjoy this view. And yes, as you have connected, so these are birds which are very far away, simple birds. Add as many as you want. You can even create, see, layer of some thinner branches going out and connecting more deeply. And when you have added enough birds, just put your hands on this drawing and close your eyes for a moment. And what do these birds of light who are carrying the light of the Creator want to tell me today? What is it? And whatever the first thing comes to your mind, please write it down. As I said, what is it? For me, it is we are the messengers to bring in lot of goodness and prosperity for you. I just need to be receptive to it, and I open my level of receptivity to receive what these birds wish to tell me. And I affirm in my mind, I am open and receptive to these messengers of light to give me what I wish. When you start doing these drawings, you tap into your intuition and you start trusting yourself more, and the trust is that beautiful thing which can help us, which gives us courage to even overcome any difficulties which we might be facing physically, emotionally, spiritually. So I hope you all enjoyed this drawing, simple, beautiful drawing which can bring so much of goodness, change in our consciousness for today. And I thank you so much for joining for today, and I look forward to see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.